A very good morning to all my dear children. Today is 4th day of the week and it is Thursday. And children, today we will study English. In today's class, we will learn to read and recognize capital and small letters A to Z along with their sounds. Children, today I will teach you song of letter W. And in written, I will teach you to write capital W. After that, children, we will practice the rhymes Incy Wincy Spider and traffic lights. In practice work, we will write K and K in the Hindi notebook. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, now let's learn and recognize capital letters A to Z with pictures. So let's start, children. You also speak with me. Now look here, children. This is capital A. A for apple. A for apple. Now comes B. B for ball. This is B. B for ball. Now comes C. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. The next letter is D. Look here, children. This is capital D and D for dog. This is dog. Now comes E, children. Look here. This is E. E for elephant. Now the next letter is capital F. F for fish. F for fish. Children, this is G. G for goat. Now comes H. H for hen. Children, the next letter is I. I for ice cream. We all love to eat ice cream in summers. Now comes J. J for jug. Children, after J, this is K. K for kite. Next letter is L. This is L. L for lion. Now comes M. M for mango. Summer is the season of mango. M for mango. Now comes N. N for nest. The bird lives in a nest. Children, this is O. O for orange. Now comes P. P for parrot. Children, the next letter is Q. Q for queen. Now comes R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for ship. Now comes T. This is capital T. T for tiger. The tiger. This is a tiger. Children, this is capital T. T for tiger. Now comes U. U for umbrella. The next letter is V. V for van. Now comes W. W for watch. Children, this is X. X for Xmas tree. Children, this is capital Y. Y for yak. And now comes the last letter. This is Z. Z for zebra. Children, in this way, you have to learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z with the help of picture. Children, have a look. This is small a. Look here. Small a. This is small b. Small c. This is small d. Small e. Small f. Small g. Small h. Small I. Small j. After j comes k. This is small k. Small l. Small m. Small n. This is small o. Small p. Small q. Small r. This is small s. Now comes small t. Small u. Small v. Small w. Small x. Small y and small z. Children, now let's revise phonetic sounds and songs of the letters A to Z. This is capital A, small a. A says a. Ants on my causing me alarm. A. B. Capital B, small b. B says bird. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Bird. Capital C, small c. C says cow. We are clicking castanets. Cow. So C says cow. Capital D, small d. D says dove. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lots of fun with a da. D says dove. E says eh. Eggs in the pan. Cracks the eggs like this. E says eh. F says my friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out. Capital G, small g. G says gurgle. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. Gurgle. Capital H, small h. It says hop. I like to hop up and down. I like to hop all around. So it says hop. Children, this is capital I, small I, and the sound of I is E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is all over the desk. Inky is wet. So I says E. Now comes J. Capital J, small j. J says J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. Children, after J, this is capital K and this is small k. K says K and this is a kicking K. Kites are flying in the sky, K. Kites are flying in the sky, K. So K says K. L, capital L and small l. L says L. We lick lollipops, we lick lollipops. We lick lollipops. Children, this is capital M and this is small m. M says The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Now comes N. Capital N, small n. And says Hear the aeroplane making lots of noise. So N says This is capital O, small o. O says O. Now it's dark, the light goes on. It's time for bed, the light goes off. After O, children, comes P. This is capital P and this is small p. P says puff. Puff of the candle on the pink cake. Puff. So P says puff. Now comes Q, children. This is capital Q. And this is small q. The ducks in the pond says quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Q says quack. Children, this is capital R, small r. R says rrr. See my puppy rip the rag. Rrr. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. R says rrr. Children, this is capital S and this is small s. S says S. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Now comes T. This is capital T and this is small t. T says T. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. After T comes U. U says up. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it rains so hard. Children, now comes V. This is capital V and this is small v. And the song of V is Dry Wicks went round the village. Dry Wicks went round the village. Dry Wicks went round the village. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now children, today I will introduce you song of the letter W. Look here children, this is capital W and this is small w. And its song is I see the clouds moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong. Let's sing it one more time. I see the clouds moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong. I hope you have liked this song. Now comes X, children. This is capital X and this is small x. X says X. This is capital Y, small y. Y says year. Now comes Z. Capital Z, small z. Z says Z. In this way, children, you have to learn phonic sounds and songs of the letters A to Z. Children, today I will teach you to write capital W. See, children, this is capital W, W for watch. And there are other things which start with letter W. Let's have a look. This is capital W and this is small w. W for whale. Look here, children, this is whale. W for watermelon, W for watch, W for whistle and W for woman. Let's say it one more time. W for whale, W for whistle, W for watch, W for woman and W for watermelon. Children, now it's time to learn the song of letter W, the phonic song. So it is like this. I see the clouds moving, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending, whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong. So children, this was the song of letter W. I hope you have enjoyed it. Now let's learn to write capital W. First, I will write it on the board, which you have to watch it carefully. So let's start it. Children, this is today's date. Today is 5th August 2025. Now children, you have to put your pencil on the red line. Look here. From here, you have to make a slanting line till the second blue line. Then you have to go up. Making a slanting line, touch the red line, top red line. Again, you have to go down till the second blue line and then you have to go up and touch the red line. In this way, children, you have to make capital W. See, one more time. Slanting line. We are going down, then we are going up, again down and again up and touch the red line. In this way, children, you have to write capital W. Start from the red line, make a slanting line, touch the bottom blue line, go up, again go down and again go up. In this way, you have to write capital W. Like this, children. So, you have to write W in one go. Don't remove your hand in between. Like this, children. Now I will show you how you will write in your notebook. Children, now let's write capital W in the notebook. First you have to write today's date. Today is 5th August 2021, like this. Now children, put your pencil on the red line here. Okay, then from here you have to make a slanting line till the second blue line, like this. And then you have to go up, making again a slanting line and touch the red line. Then again go down, make a slanting line and then again go up, like this. You have to write capital W. Slanting line, go up, then come down, again go up, in this way. In one go you have to write, don't remove your hand in between. Okay children, now see, again. Start from the red line, go till the blue line, again go up, touch the red line, again go down. Touch the bottom blue line and then go up, like this. In this way, you have to write capital W. See, one line is finished. Now I'm writing in the second line. In the same way you have to write. This is not right. See, this is a bit wrong. See, in this way. Children, see, I am writing in the last line. Now see, in this way you have to write capital W. See, like this, and don't remove your hand in between. Capital W is like 2V, see. One and then second. In this way, children, you have to finish one page of capital W in your English notebook. So write it, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to do practice work. In practice work, we will write K and Kh in the Hindi notebook. So 2 lines of Kh. 2 lines K की करेंगे और 3 lines Kh की करेंगे हिंदी की नोटबुक में. सबसे पहले बच्चों, we will write today's date, है ना? आज की डेट लिखेंगे. Today is 5th August 2021, like this. अब हम शुरू करते हैं क लिखना. पहले आपको आपकी पेंसिल ब्लू लाइन पे रखना है, स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाना है और हाथ हटाना है. अब इस लाइन के सेंटर में जाना है, बीच में. यहाँ से एक सेमी सर्कल बनाया और दूसरी तरफ उसकी हम पूंछ निकाल देंगे और फिर छत लगाएंगे ऐसे. ये है क से कमल. ऐसे करते करते ये 1 लाइन फिनिश करनी है. तो बच्चों देखो, अब इस तरह से मैं सेकेंड लाइन को भी कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ और ये मैं सेकेंड लाइन के लास्ट ब्लॉक में लिख रही हूँ. तो देखो, ये 2 लाइन्स हमने क की लिखी. अब हम लिखेंगे ख. नेक्स्ट 3 लाइन्स में हम ख लिखेंगे. तो ख लिखेंगे, कैसे लिखेंगे? सबसे पहले पेंसिल को ब्लू लाइन पे रखा और एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई. इसके आगे, अब इस लाइन से पहले उल्टा सी, उसकी लंबी पूंछ और इस लाइन से नीचे वाले ब्लू लाइन से टच करते हुए हमको इस लाइन से मिला देना है और बीच में ऐसे एक सेमी सर्कल बनाना है. ऐसे देखो, ऐसे लिखना है ख. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, उल्टा सी, लंबी पूंछ, उसको स्टैंडिंग लाइन से मिलाया और अंदर एक सेमी सर्कल बनाया. यूं. ऐसे करते करते ये लाइन फिनिश करेंगे और नेक्स्ट 3 लाइंस में ख लिखेंगे. तो बच्चों, इस तरह से आपको ख लिखना है. देखो, आप मैं ये लास्ट लाइन में लिख रही हूँ. ठीक है, स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई, उल्टा सी बनाया, उसकी लंबी पूंछ बनाई, नीचे वाली ब्लू लाइन से टच किया और इस लाइन से मिला दिया और इस लाइन में एक हमने सेमी सर्कल बनाया और फिर छत लगा दी. इस तरह से लिखना है ख. ख से खरगोश, ख से खटमल, ख से खटखटाना. ऐसे. अब देखो, तो इस तरह से बच्चों आपको 1 पेज का और ख लिखना है और इसकी पिक्चर मुझे भेजनी है. Children, now it's time to recite the rhymes Incy Wincy Spider and Traffic Lights. So let's start. Good morning. The title of my poem is Incy Wincy. Incy Wincy Spider climbed the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. Thank you. In this way, children, you have to practice this rhyme. Now let's practice our second rhyme, which is traffic lights. Good morning. The title of my poem is Traffic Lights. Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean wait till the light goes green. Green light, what do you say? I say go right away. Thank you. In this way, children, you have to practice these both rhymes. Okay? So practice it, make your video on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.